Hello, everybody. This is Mike Kilgore coming to you live, or actually recorded here in Tampa, Florida. And the reason that I'm coming to you today is I wanted to talk to you a little bit about labeling. With all the new sealers that are coming out onto the market, there's some new ones that are coming out. We wanted to talk about the importance of labeling and making sure that you know what you need to look for whenever you're looking at products to make sure that you are getting the right information. There's a lot of concerns out there with different sealers that are coming out that just have a label on them. And I think it's important to show you and give you the information that you need to be looking for whenever you're looking at a label to make sure that you're working with a product that is in full disclosure to make sure that you're safe and the people around you are safe, and that if you do happen to get pulled over by DOT, which we know that doesn't happen very often, but they're going to be looking to make sure that you have the proper information. I'm going to kind of show this here. I know you're kind of looking around with the green screen here, but even on our samples, you're going to see signal words, you're going to see danger. This is wipeout here, maybe corrosive to metals. It actually has some of the signal pictures that are on there, as well as may cause damage to organs through prolonged or exposure, but also prevention, response, and then warning signs that are on here. So I wanted to put up here our Hurricane Cat 5 and just kind of walk through that label so that there's certain things that you can look for. What you'll notice is on the left side, everything's in Spanish. On the right side, everything is in English. But the most important part is obviously when we start talking about the Hurricane Cat 5 Part A, that's there, that this is identifying what the product is. Then it gives you some of the pieces that are inside of it there, that it has the True Tone technology, hardens the joint sand with armor bond, ultra durable surface protection, breathable water-based sealer. But what's really important is this area right down here. And I don't know if I can draw on this or not, but I'm going to sure try right in here. It's actually giving you the phone number, the website, and the address of the actual manufacturer itself. So that's very, very important that you can see who is manufacturing, that there is a phone number there, that there's an address of where it's actually being manufactured, the website and phone number there. Also indicating suitable surfaces right up here on the top. This is in writing so that you have that. Prevention, keep out of reach of children. What happens if it's swallowed? These types of things. If it's on the skin, in the eyes. Warning, storage, how to store this properly. Disposable, how to dispose of it. What is the shelf life? And then what is the average coverage per plan based on site conditions? So it's very important that you have all this information that's here. Now, you may never ever need this, but these are part of responsible of making sure that you put all this information onto these labels to ensure that that you have what you need in the time that you need it. So now let's look at the back side here. Let me switch over to, let's see here, erase. Let's go to this next level here. I think I can do that. There we go. I think we still have everything here. Let me slide this over. So this is now the back side of the Cat 5 Part A. So you can see surface preparation, application conditions, tools needed, mixing instructions, pot life, also the dilution ratios, the full kit with D1 solution, full kit with D2 solution, as well as dry time, joint stabilization, and cleanup. And then we're going to go into the Part B section here. Let me see if I can expand this out here. There we go. I think that's going to work a little bit better. Where you can see the Part B, where it also has all the information that's here, as well as the warnings, the response. But again, it also indicates here where it's actually being manufactured so that you have the manufacturing information. On the back of the Part B is the dilution project coverage calculator. You can back into this from two different directions. So for instance, if you had 1,500 square feet with D1 solution, it's about 1,500 square feet. With D2 solution, which a majority of people are using, it's going to be 2,000 square feet. So let's use the D2 solution. If I've got 2,000 square feet, I'm going to have 5 gallons of Part A, 2 gallons of Part B, and 13 gallons of water, which is going to give me 20 gallons of sealer. So you can back into this in any direction, whether it be from the square footage side of it or the volume that you need it. Hey, I need 5 gallons more sealer here. I'm going to mix it with 5 quarts of Part A, 2 quarts of Part B, and 3.25 gallons or 13 quarts of water, which is going to give me 5 gallons. So you can move in back and forth, right? And then, of course, we also have our Hurricane Cat 5 marking label. I'm going to actually zoom this out just a little bit so that you can take a look at it here. This is our marking label that's on the side of each of the Part A's that's there, that shows you how to mix the D2, the D1, and the Part A, but it also gives you a full marking all the way up to the 5 gallon. Now, as you can see, this is all set up for print. That's why we have all the little bullseyes and things. This is what you actually will see, is that black line that's in there. That's where they're going to do the cut marks and whatnot. But I wanted to show you that type of information. So also, it's very important to make sure that you have easy access, and I'm going to open this up here, to our, let's see if I can expand this or not. I don't think it'll let me expand it, so I'm going to just go from here and kind of move around just a little bit. Our website here, and our website has all the information that you need. There is an area in here for pros, which is our resource library. And in this resource library is a great area that gives you all the technical data sheets of all the products. So you have it in Spanish as well as in English for all of the sealers and cleaners, right? Then you have the, and that's the technical data sheet. Then you have the safety data sheets, which is all of the safety data sheets for all of the products that are there. Then we have an area for technical bulletins, understanding sealer types, getting it right the first time. And we keep adding more and more information there. But this is a really critical spot right here, which is the sales sheets and marketing. This area right here, you can open up the Cat 5 sell sheet. This sell sheet, when I pop it open, maybe it's going to open. We hope so. It wants to. There it is. Okay. You're going to see that it has the Cat 5, only the best will do. This is something that you can print off and give to your customers. And by giving that to your customers, it's going to give them the information that they need to make sure that you're using the best sealer. So it's a message from us to you. So you can see here that there's a white area right here. It's actually the size of a business card. So you can print this off, put your business card right here, and then hand it to the customer itself. So I wanted to again go back to the labels that we have here. It's so important to make sure that you have all the information that you need on these labels, and I think it's equally important with all the new things that are coming out that you request that this information be on the labels themselves. The warning, the storage, the disposal, the shelf life, it's all right there at your hands, and that's what has to be done to make sure that the manufacturer is giving you everything that you need when you need it. Now, of course, you can always call us. We're here to help you, but we wanted to make sure everything is at your hands. So again, this is the back label of the Cat 5. This is the Part B front label, and basically the back label, it's all one label that kind of wraps around that can there, because you get 5 gallons of Part A and 2 gallons of Part B, and then the same thing with the marking label that runs down that Part A. Now you'll see that when you get a chance to look at all the labels of all the different products, it is consistent across all the products, even all the way down to all of the cleaners themselves. So if you have any questions, make sure that you give us a call. And again, wanted to show you the website here, visiting tridentprotects.com. When you get a chance, go in. Up at the top, I'm going to try to move this up just a little bit right here. You're going to see in here my account or log in. I'm actually logged into the website right now. I have a button here that says administration to be able to look into the back and see the orders and everything that comes in. But you're going to see right here on the cleaners, it talks about all the different cleaners, the strippers, the specialty cleaners, all the cleaners, areas to be cleaning. So you can search by sealer removal, embedded soil, efflorescence, mold and mildew, spot cleaning. You know, do I need to clean up oil and grease? Am I trying to clean up rust? Am I trying to, clean up mud daubers, fertilizer, dumpster gunk, right? And then all of the resources. So we have the sealers, we have the sand, we have for pros. So this is an area that's specifically designed for pros, resource libraries, contractor guide, and then for owners where they can come in and why is it that we need to clean and seal our surfaces? Why is it that we need to have a maintenance schedule? That's a really cool add-on right there that talks about the maintenance. I'm going to pull that up and see if we can get it to load. Maybe. That's the idea. Takes a second here. So your investment deserves the very best. This is a surface maintenance schedule plan. This is something that you can print off to your customers themselves. Residential, commercial, talks about the spring maintenance and initial cleaning, as well as a bi-weekly inspection and spot cleaning. And all this information is things that you can print off to give to your customer. So with that said, this is Mike Kilgore coming to you again here from Trident. We're in the process of growing and increasing the value of sealing and making sure that we're growing everybody into a phenomenal product and providing you that optimal service that you're looking for. So give us a call if you have any questions. The number is 866-951-4293. Looking forward to hearing from you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.